AI in agriculture is not a science fiction anymore. It is already helping farmers, researchers, breeders, agronomists, and food companies make better decisions from data. And that is the simplest way to understand it. AI in agriculture means using data to make farming decisions faster, earlier, and more accurately. It is not only about robots, and it's not only about drones, and it's definitely not only about ChatGPT, Gemini, or Claude. AI in agriculture can be a smartphone app that detects leaf damage, a camera system that checks seed or grain quality, a model that predicts yield, a software that counts tomato under a microscope, saving researchers hours of manual work. AI in agriculture is not AI replacing farmers. It is AI helping people see, measure, and decide earlier. In this course, we will not treat AI as magic. We will treat AI as a practical tool. AI works when it has three things: a real agricultural problem, a useful data, a decision that someone needs to make. A farmer does not need AI in general. A farmer may need to know specific answers to very narrow agricultural questions. This is where AI becomes valuable. Useful AI starts with a farm problem, not with the technology. The boundary lines of traditional farming and productivity are fading. In the new era of agriculture, artificial intelligence does not see barriers. It sees a continuous ecosystem of possibilities. AI is rewriting the rules across the entire agricultural spectrum. Think of AI not as a replacement for human expertise, but as an amplification of it. AI serves as your extra brain to process millions of data points in a heartbeat, and your extra eyes to watch over your yields 24/7. In this course, we are not just looking at the technology of tomorrow, we are diving deep into how you can use these extra eyes and brain today to revolutionize the way we feed and sustain the world together. So, let's begin.